What's up, buds? Welcome to Jay's Tasty Vids and Vlogs, and today I'm making a flan. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 4 eggs, 1 can of evaporated milk, that's 12 ounces, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, that's 14 ounces. Alright, buds, so the first step, we're gonna dissolve the sugar on a medium heat in a saucepan. Alright, but so this is like the result we want. We want it to be like, like a caramel color pretty much. We want to make sure you dissolve all the chunks. So, like I was like right before all the chunks are dissolved, just turn off the heat and keep stirring, because we don't want this to get too dark and burn while we try to dissolve those chunks. Alright, so now just get it into a 9 by 2 inch pan. We're gonna make the actual flan mix, so let me start by opening up these cans. Now our sweetened condensed milk. Alright, so now 4 eggs. Alright, so now we have to take our 13 by 9 inch pan, and then we have to fill it with water halfway. So now we have to put our 9 by 2 inch pan with our flan in here. Alright, but so I baked this in the oven for an hour, and then I let it cool on a cooling rack for an hour. So what I did was I just took a fork, just poked a hole just to see if it's like mostly clean on the fork, it's done. So it has to be mostly clean on the fork. That's how you know this thing is done. So now let's flip it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and be sure to check out my Instagram page and my TikTok page. The links are in the description. So yeah, and I also have a playlist called Jay's Tasty Vids, where I have like cooking videos and baking videos as well. So link is in the description as always. So peace out to Brooklyn till next video.